Welcome to my channel.
What are we doing today?
We're in fruits.
Play fruit with vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay. What do we have here?
And toy.
Toy.
Yeah.
And what is this?
A tomato.
Tomatoes? What is this?
It's corn.
You cut tomatoes?
Yeah, I need cut this one onion.
Onion? Okay.
This
What is that?
is blackberry.
Avocado.
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 Now I want to cut the tomato.
Tomatoes. Okay.
Corn.
Corns.
I want this one to be and open it. I need this one. Carrot and this one
What is that?
and
Cauliflower.
cauliflower. Good job. Daddy, get it. Daddy, get it.
Okay.
Hey, I want this one, the broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah, I like good job. Put it on the. Dad, get it.
You get it.
Dad, get it.
You get it.
Dad, I get it. I'm gonna cut in this one.
What is that thing?
Catfish. I get it.
You got it?
Yeah. First is this one. First, now I need to open it. Here. I want this one catfish. Cauliflower. Candy cut.
Can you cut it?
Yeah, I want this one.
What is that?
Eggplant.
Eggplant.
I got it. Do it again.
You get it all done?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay,
Do it again.
put it back together. What is that?
An eggplant.
What color?
Purple.
Good job.
I need this one.
What is that?
Onion.
Onion?
Okay.
What color?
Brown.
Good job.
Okay, I want this one. Cauliflower.
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 Yes.
This one in the minute. This one and this one.
What color?
Green.
And
Green too.
green and
Green and what?
green and white, right?
Yeah. Put it right there. And
Turn it around. To this way. Yes, to that.
how do you hear sound? Did it turn around like this?
Yes. This way. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, drop.
Put it back in the cup.
Oh.
What color?
Green.
And
What? Green and white.
yes. What's the name of the vegetable? Cauliflower?
Clear. And then it put it right there on this one first.
Yes. What is that? Cabbage?
Cabbage. That another one.
What color of cabbage?
Green.
Green. Good
Green.
job.
Green and what green?
Light green?
Oh yeah. This one onion. Now we put it in beans.
Yes. What color of beans?
And green. What green?
Light green?
Yeah. You know where they got it? And I'll buy it just one thing, not sure. Corn.
Corn. What color of corn?
And yellow and green.
Yellow and green.
Tina quiet.
It's okay. Yellow and green. What is that again? What's the name of the vegetable? What's the name of the vegetable? What is that?
Corn and yellow.
Corn?
Yeah. Put it back right there.
Yes.
And a carrot.
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 Carrot. Carrot.
That will I can right there.
What color of carrot?
In orange. Daddy, I need broccoli. These are so sorry. Hey, put it back. Now I need this one.
What is that?
No, I can't think so.
Green pepper.
Green pepper.
Yes.
That's rich